Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll quickly run through how to add rows in Excel. I'll show you this on Windows, but the steps are basically the same on Mac and the web version too. Alright, first thing, click on the row number where you want the new row to appear. So if you want to add a row between rows 5 and 6, click on the number 6 on the left side of the spreadsheet. That's the row heading area. When you click it, the entire row gets highlighted. Just keep in mind, Excel always inserts new rows above the row you select. So the row you click is the one that's going to move down. Once you've got your row selected, right-click on that row number. A context menu pops up right where your cursor is. You'll see a list of options in that menu. From the context menu, click Insert. In some versions of Excel, it might say Insert Rows instead of just Insert, but it's the same thing. As soon as you click it, a new blank row appears above the row you selected, and everything below shifts down by one position. If the row you selected had any formatting on it, like colors or borders, that formatting carries over to the new row automatically. Now, if you need to insert multiple rows at once, instead of just one, here's how to do that. Click on the first row number where you want the new rows to start, then hold down your mouse button and drag down to select however many rows you want to insert. So if you want to add 3 rows, select 3 existing rows. Then right-click on that selection and choose Insert again. Excel adds the same number of blank rows above your selection, and everything below moves down to make room. A couple of quick things worth knowing. If you have formulas in your spreadsheet that reference cells in the rows you just moved, those formulas update automatically to account for the new row positions, so you don't need to manually fix them. And if you accidentally insert a row you didn't mean to, just hit Ctrl+Z to undo it straight away. One more thing, Excel doesn't have a built-in way to insert rows below a selected row, only above. So if you want a row below row 5, you'd select row 6 and insert above it, which puts the new row between 5 and 6. And that wraps it up. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.